Temporarily took shelter inside a docked SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft earlier today after a worsening air leak on the Russian side of the ISS. That repair work is done for the day. Channel 9's Melanie Holt live at the Kennedy Space Park in Titusville for us. And Mel, the air leaks are apparently an ongoing problem.
They are, but this one was enough of a concern for NASA to put those astronauts back on the Dragon so they could make a quick exit if need be.
And you have to go to the next step.
Astronauts aboard the International Space Station are back at work after a worsening air leak on the Russian side of the space station prompted NASA to temporarily move all of its SpaceX Crew 12 members and NASA astronaut Chris Williams into the Crew Dragon docked at the ISS while a repair was underway.
So NASA decided it was prudent to have their crew go back into the Dragon module in case they did have to undock, and then, of course, they'd have to come home if the leak got worse.
Roscosmos paused repair work to collect more data, and NASA cleared the crew to leave the Dragon. NASA says the Zvezda service module transfer tunnel has suffered from cracks and leaks for some time. Those have been mitigated by Roscosmos as much as possible. Florida Tech professor Don Platt says astronauts regularly train for situations like this.
They have an understanding of what they would do in order to safely escape if needed.
Platt says the incident also highlights a growing challenge for NASA, keeping the station operating safely as it ages while commercial replacements are still being developed.
Continues to put pressure on NASA to get the commercial space station alternatives up and running, and do so sooner rather than later.
NASA plans to retire the International Space Station in 2030. Live here in Titusville, Melanie Holt, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
New